Hello creatives, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adebola. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, you're welcome. Do well to give me a thumbs up, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be among the first set of people that gets notifications whenever I upload new videos, right? And if you're an old subscriber, once again, you're welcome, right? Okay, so in today's video we're going to be learning how to create this Happy New Month flyer on Canva. Happy New Month November flyer on Canva, right? Okay, so all you just have to do, if you're a new Canva designer, if you are new to Canva, you've never designed anything on Canva before, all you just have to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device you're making use of. Search for Canva, download the application, install it on your device, create an account if you don't have one, or just log into your account if you already have an account, right? Or if you don't want to make use of the application, you can always make use of the browser, of the website like I'm making use of presently. That's go to your browser, whatever browser you're making use of on your device. Search for canva.com, log into your account if you already have an account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Canva is absolutely free, right? Okay, so we're going to get started into this design right now. So the first thing we want to do is get our background. Yeah, there's basically a yellow background behind this image. I'm just going to be searching for it from here, from my recently used. Just going to click from here to get it from here basically. Yeah, so there's a yellow background. Yeah, this is it. There's a yellow background behind that. I'm going to show us the name, so if you need to search for it yourself, abstract yellow background, right? So I'm going to enlarge it to fit the screen. Okay, I'm just going to enlarge it to fit the screen. And the next thing, I'm going to be adding these leaves. They are basically leaves. I want to show you the exact leaves that it is also. So yeah, this was the leaves I made use of, right? As you can see, it's almost like, how did I go from this to this, right? Okay, so I'm just going to keep that aside. I want to add in our model next. I want to add in our model, so I'm going to go to upload. As you can see, it's basically for my uploads here. I'm going to be removing the background. Of course, I can remove the background on Canva because I'm making use of Canva Pro account. But if you are not making use of Canva Pro account, you can always make use of remove.bg on your browser. Just search for remove.bg and just follow the instructions there, and you'll be able to remove backgrounds, right? Okay, so just increase the size to fit. So now it's time for us to make use of this, right? All you just have to do is remove the background, right? You see we are getting there already. Remove the background, blur it out. I blurred it out. Let me be sure of how much I blurred it out by, right? Blur it out by 20. So you click on it, go to effects, go to blur. It's basically free. Basically this is free. So blur it out, all image, blur the whole image out by 20. No, that shouldn't be. I think that was transparency. I checked now. So the blurring out should be more than 20 basically. By 91. Yeah, I thought as much. Okay, so 91. So blur it out by 91. Or let's just leave it at 90 basically. Okay, yeah, we got 91. So just blur it out this way and enlarge it, and you just keep covering every single spot, right? Just keep placing it about, duplicate it here, duplicate, twist it, just turn it, place it somewhere else, duplicate it again. So that's basically just what I did to manipulate the background, right? Just duplicate it. Designing is basically just creativity. Basically, there's no magic. It's actually magic, but it's creativity at the end of the day, right? So just blur it out, and as many times as possible. There's basically no amount of times you should do it, just till you are satisfied with what you have, right? Just blur it till you are satisfied with what you have, right? So I'm basically just doing this and multiplying it. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is add in, if you take note, there are some leaves. I just added leaves, so I'm going to add in some leaves. Okay, I think I want to adjust this back a little bit. Okay, yeah, so there are some leaves I want to add. It's basically just one leaf which I replicated. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to show us the name of the leaf again. I'm going to show us the name of the leaf. Yeah, mint leaf cut out. So I'm going to reduce it, just reduce it really small, and bring it down. Yeah, I think the first one was positioned here. So I'm just going to bring it down here a little bit. Yeah, second one was positioned up, I think. Yeah, second one was positioned here. Just twist it, reduce it a bit. They are not all the same size, so just reduce it to your taste. And the third one was positioned down, right? Yeah, the third one was positioned here, right? So just reduce it here again. So yeah, we are all done with the whole manipulation stuff, right? Did I just call it stuff? Okay, so next thing we want to do, we want to add in our text. We want to add in welcome to November. I pray this month brings you whatever that is there. Okay, so we just click on add a heading and we type in November. Okay, so let's be sure of the font. Okay, let's be sure of the font. Okay, the seasons, right? That's the name of the font, and the size is 382. So let's bring it down here. Fonts, we need to get a font. Okay, so let's just search for the fonts here. Yeah, the seasons, it's a free font, by the way. We need white color. Of course it's in capital letter, right? And we have our size to be 382. 382, right? And not in bold. We don't want it as bold. Yeah, that was the difference. So we are bringing it here and make sure it's also at the center. Make sure it's at the center. We are copying our text. Welcome to. Firstly, let's copy this one. I hope I'll be able to copy everything at once. So select all, copy. Yeah, we got it. So let's be sure what's the font. What's the font? We have Poppins and we have 61.3, right? We have Poppins, we have 61.3. Let's add our text. Paste it here. Okay, so next we need to do what? Check our font, which is supposed to be Poppins, and font size 61.3. Okay, we got that. And also we want to make sure that it's not bold. We don't need it as bold. Okay, and we need it as 2 lines basically, right? So let's see, where did the next line so at? Okay, so we are bringing it here. Make sure it's properly at the center. We're almost done with our design, right? So next thing we need to add is welcome to, which is at the bottom. We're just going to duplicate this, edit welcome to, and it's in capital letter basically. So let's just take it up capital letter. And also if you take note, it's spaced out, right? Spaced out to 800, or spaced out to the highest. So I'm going to click it, space out to 800, and we're going to bring it down a little bit. And that's that for the bottom. So the next thing we added there was just Happy New Month, which can be replaced, or which should be replaced by your own logo, right? Your brand logo, whatever you're replicating it as. And like always, if you need to master your skill in graphic design using Canva, you can always reach out to me. I have a self-paced course that would help you with that. So we have a Happy New Month. Okay, Happy New Month, all capital letter. This should be, like I said, this should be replaced with your logo. This should be replaced with your logo. And if you're just replicating this design for the fun of it, do well. We can always just fit in the Happy New Month at the top here, right? It doesn't really matter. Okay, the Happy New Month is supposed to be, okay, I just noticed it's supposed to be, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this design. Yeah, and of course, when you replicate this design, I do want to see it. I want to see it. Make sure you send it to me on WhatsApp. I want to see what you come up with. I want to see the beauty you create out of this work, right? I want to see what you come up with on my WhatsApp. Yeah, the link to my WhatsApp will be in the description below, and let me see what you come up with. All right, that's all. Bye. See you in the next video.